Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a Python script and then we're going to use another script to run the first script. Okay, but before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. So we're just going to make a script, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it in Notepad, sorry. So we're just going to print hello, I am a script. I am a script you are running. So we're just going to do that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it in a folder on my desktop called X. So it's going to be here, X. And I'm just going to save it as script1.py. So that makes it a Python script. So let's save it in there. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to import a few things here. Import OS. I'm going to import module called subprocess. If you don't have these modules already on, you should have the OS one. I'm not sure about the subprocess. You can go into pip and download them in pip. Okay, the next one is import time. So you'll definitely have time definitely comes packaged with Python, and OS comes packaged with Python. I can't remember if subprocess does or not. Like I say, if it doesn't, go into pip and download it from there. Okay, so I'm going to create the function, and that's going to be called run script. Okay, so the function is called run script. But before we do that, let's go into X and let's have a look there. That's script 1 that we've just made. Okay, so that there is script 1. Right, so we're going to create the path to the script because Python needs to know where it is. That's going to be c://users mark desktop, and the folder was folder X. Now this is the path to my desktop, it's not the path to your desktop. So you're going to have to find out what the path to your desktop is, because if you just simply type this into your program and try and run it, it'll throw an error. Okay, then we do os.chdr change directory, and we want to change directory to the path above. That's where we want to be. Okay, I'm going to create a variable called run, and it's going to be equal to input. So we're going to get user input here, and it's going to be enter, let's say script, enter script. No, let's just make it easier. Run script. So we're simply just going to run the script. Right. Okay, now we're going to come on to the conditional, which we start off with an if, and this is going to be os.path.exists. So that's quite self-explanatory, and then we're going to pass it an argument run. Okay, so if it exists, what we're passed into here, then we're going to do something. We're going to print starting program, so the user will see this starting program there, and we're going to give it a little delay, and we're going to do that by using time. So it's going to be time.sleep, and we're going to give it a little delay of 1 second here, and then we're going to run it, and we use subprocess for this. So subprocess, the module that we imported, run, and then we've got to use the parenthesis and then these brackets here and type in Python and then comma and run. Okay, and then if there's an error, if anything goes wrong, we're going to use an else here to catch anything else. Print program. Well, we're just going to print an error occurred, just a general error message here, an error occurred. Okay, now all we have to do is call that, so this is going to be run script. Okay, so okay guys, I've come into Visual Studio because I was having a few problems running it in idle. So there it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run it here, run script, so it's going to be script1.py, hit enter, starting program, and there we go. Hello, I'm a script you are running. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.